Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to send the animated text message in this device. For this, open the message application. Then first of all you need to open you can create a conversation, or you can open any existing conversation. Okay, then first of all you need to type a message, or you can insert image, link, anything. So simply here I am going to and type the message. Yeah, after type the message, here you can see one up arrow. Tap and hold this up arrow. Then here you can see the option screen. Tap on this one. Then you can see some effects. You can see this is send with echo. If you swipe right, this is send with spotlight. Then the next one, send with balloons, send with love. You can see some effects you can see here, and you can select any effect from here. So simply here I am going to select this one, send with balloons. After select this one, if you want to apply this effect, then tap on the up arrow. If you want to cancel this effect, then tap on the undo button. So here I am going to tap on this up arrow to apply this one. Now you can see, right? So simply in this way you can send a message with bubble or any animation in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.